Are you tired of settling for mediocre audio and video quality? Look no further. Welcome to TECHNEOS, your ultimate destination for customized audio and video cables. At TECHNEOS, we understand that every customer has unique requirements when it comes to audio and video setups. That's why we offer tailor-made cables designed to deliver exceptional performance, specifically catered to your needs. No matter where you are in the world, we offer worldwide shipping, bringing TECHNEOS cables right to your doorstep. We stand behind the quality of our products. That's why we provide a lifetime guarantee for all the cables we manufacture. Embrace customization, reliability, and unmatched performance with TECHNEOS.